Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a process on how to edit photo in MidJourney. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. And also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Discord application first and also make sure that you select MidJourney server in it. Once you're inside, go ahead and select one of the chat bots and in the command box at the bottom, tap on the plus icon located on the left hand side. Now, select the image you'd like to upload from your library and tap send at the bottom. Now once you send the image and after it is posted in the chat, click on the image and it'll pop open. Now press hold to the image and tap on the share button and tap on the copy button in the pop-up in order to copy the URL of the image. Now in the chat box, go ahead and open up the /imagine prompt and paste in the URL that you just copied. Once you paste it in, you can now give a space, add whatever you want to do with the image. For example, let me go ahead and type in add more colors in the background, or you can just type in whatever changes you want to make with the image. After you are done, you can tap on the send on the right hand corner and you'll be able to edit your own images on MidJourney. But remember that you must have subscribed to MidJourney in order to complete your request. That is how you can easily do it. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.